Realme has just introduced its new model called Realme 12X. This is a mid-range device, or we could even say entry-level because of the price, but it has attractive specifications. The screen is 6.67 inches LCD with 120 Hz in its refresh rate and has a thickness of 7.89 millimeters and a weight of 190 grams. The design integrates a round camera module on the back, where we find 50 megapixel main camera and other cameras of pure adornment, while in the front camera will be located the 8 megapixel camera. The processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, accompanied by 12 gigabytes of physical RAM plus 12 virtual gigabytes. In storage, we also find good news because it reaches up to 512 gigabytes, so it is very attractive in this regard. The battery is 5000 milliamps and supports a 15-watt charge, so it is not that attractive. The base version is 256 gigabytes of storage and was announced in China at a price of 1,399 yuan. It is also IP54 splash-resistant certified. For the moment, as I tell you, it has been presented in China, but let's wait to see if Realme decides to launch this device also globally.